Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing essentials. Confirm you have an admin account and note your Mac OS version because some tools need specific builds. Once done, install Xcode command line tools or a preferred terminal app. This gives you access to core utilities. Decide which approach you'll use: developer tools for simulated location, a VPN for IP-based location changes, or a trusted third-party app for GUI control. Make this choice now so subsequent steps match the method and avoid reversing work later. Next, I'll show the developer tools path. Open Xcode and go to Devices and Simulators, or use a core location command line tool if you prefer terminal. Create or import a GPX file defining the exact coordinates you want, or enter lat/long directly. Then select your running app or simulator target and apply the GPX route. This overrides core location for that process. Once applied, test immediately in Apple Maps and your app to confirm the simulated GPS matches the coordinates you set. To finish, remove the simulation and restart affected apps so they revert to real GPS. If you used a system-level tweak, reboot the Mac to clear cached location data. If an app ignores the override, make sure it has location services permission in system settings and that the app isn't using cached coordinates. Change permissions off and on to force a refresh. Finally, open console or app logs to verify core location updates and diagnose errors. These logs show whether the system actually received the simulated coordinates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.